friends, this is Neha and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Swad, the taste of India in every bite. We all have been eating Moongdal chilla since ages. But since rainy season is here and it brings along sweet and delicious corn. So here I am giving a very tasty and delicious twist to our very own Moongdal chilla and making corn Moongdal chilla. So let's get started. Here I have taken 2 cups of corn kernels. I have taken fresh corn kernels. You can take frozen corn kernels as well. As you can see, they are fresh and juicy. Now I am adding 1 cup soaked moong dal into this. I have soaked moong dal for at least 2 hours. You can soak moong dal overnight also. Now I am putting corn and moong dal into a grinding jar and make a fine paste. I am adding 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds or jeera, half a tablespoon asafoetida or hing. Now I will grind all this into a fine paste. This is how the paste looks like. It should be of a pouring consistency. I am adding some spices, chopped green chilies, red chili flakes. This is optional, you can skip it. Black peppercorn powder. You can also skip this, but this gives a very good taste into the chilla. I am adding some bell peppers, finely chopped red bell peppers. I'll give it a quick mix. Now I am adding finely chopped green capsicum, finely chopped 1 medium sized onion, finely chopped coriander leaves, the batter should be of pouring consistency and you can also adjust the seasoning of salt at this stage. I am adding half a cup of corn kernels. This is completely optional, but this gives a very good taste to the chilla. Now for the green chutney, I am making burnt garlic green chutney. I am taking 7 to 8 garlic cloves. Into a pan, I am adding 1 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee. Let it heat up and then I am adding garlic cloves into it. I will let the garlic turn golden brown. But remember, you don't have to overcook or burn the garlic. It should turn nice brown in color. At this stage, As you can see, I have removed the pan from the heat flame, and now I will cool it down and put it into a grinding jar. I am adding 1 cup of coriander leaves, one cup of mint leaves, 2 green chilies, 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh curd, salt as per taste, I will mix and bring everything together before grinding it. I will add 1 tablespoon of curd more, mix it and grind it into a fine paste. Burnt garlic chutney is ready. As you can see, this is of a pouring consistency. This is how it has turned out. It tastes delicious. Now for the making chilla, I have taken a pan with a lid. I will grease the pan with oil or ghee. Now put a small quantity of batter and evenly spread it. Let it cook from one side and cover it with a lid. After half a minute, I am opening the lid. Flip it upside down and let the chilla cook from the other side as well. Let it cook and close the lid. I am pressing it with a spatula. This is how it has turned out. It is cooked from both the sides. Now I will take it out on a plate. Likewise, we will make other chillas. It's looking nice and colorful. Our corn moong dal chillas are ready for plating. Let's plate it. These chillas taste yummy and at the same time are packed with nutrition and are very healthy. If you like my recipe, do give it a try and don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.